You might be thinking if there is a way in Excel to do a VLOOKUP to the left, and this is one of the scenarios we will tackle now. We have the salesperson ID column, which is in front of the salesperson name column, and there are many ways to do it in Excel, but we saw already an example with moving the column. But in this case, we would like to keep the structure of the source table and still perform the VLOOKUP. How can we do it? There is a trick with the combination of two functions, index and match. Let's maybe start with the match formula, where we have a lookup value which is very similar to the VLOOKUP formula. We just select the name we have on the left, then we select the lookup array, and then at the end we choose whether we would like to use the exact match or less than or greater than. In most of the cases you would use the exact match, so you need to keep in mind to insert the 0. And when we hit enter, we will see that in the F column, the name that we are looking for is in the 5th cell. So this is the number of the cell from the selected range. And now this match formula might be included in the index formula, which means we would like to look in the E array and take the row number 5, which is the result of our match formula, and the column number we could skip, or we can enter the one like the first column because we have just one in our array. And when we hit enter, we will see the ID of this particular person, and when we copy the formula down, you will obtain all of the results.